the gut. This is why healing must address both biology and nervous system regulation. To understand why this matters for mood, focus, and behavior, we need to understand the gut brain axis. The gut brain axis includes the enteric nervous system, which is in the gut, the autonomic nervous system, the immune system, endocrine system, microbiome, vagus nerve, and microbial metabolites. The vagus nerve is especially important because most vagal fibers are afferent, meaning they carry information from the body back to the brain. In other words, your brain is constantly sampling information from the gut. This matters clinically because the brain is not floating in isolation. It is constantly listening to immune signals, blood sugar signals, microbial signals, and autonomic signals coming from the body. So the brain is not just commanding the gut. The gut is constantly reporting back to the brain. So the gut-brain axis is the two-way communication system between the digestive tract and the brain. It involves the vagus nerve, immune molecules, hormones, neurotransmitters, and these microbial metabolites like we talked about. The gut can influence the brain through inflammation, blood sugar, nutrient absorption, microbial balance, and vagal signaling. The brain can influence the gut through stress responses, autonomic tone, and motility, and digestive secretion. So when someone says it's all in your head, we definitely need to correct that. Often it is not just in the head. It may be in the gut-brain communication system as well. Now, the vagus nerve helps create parasympathetic tone, digestive motility, heart rate variability, inflammatory reflexes, and communication between the gut and the brainstem. When gut inflammation increases, vagal signaling can very significantly change. When vagal tone is poor, digestion and inflammation regulation can become less efficient. This is why nervous system regulation is part of gut healing. This is also where chiropractic, breath work, sleep, movement, and stress regulation fit into the bigger picture. We're not just trying to change food. We are trying to shift the state of the nervous system so the gut can repair and the body can regulate the inflammatory process more effectively. See, the vagus nerve is one of the major communication highways between the gut and the brain. It helps regulate all those things that we talked about, right?